Block both of us.
That's right.
Oh no, just me.
Lorraine, this video is for you. I want to thank you very much. And your friend Pam, or wherever you got this, she does some really, really good artwork. This is really nice.
3D.
Yes, 3D. And my daughter loves this stuff.
Oh, yes. Gosh.
Yes, very much so. So imagine my surprise. First, let me tell you what I thought had happened. So I sent you the package. And when I got a notice that I had a package, the first thing I thought about, because this goes to a, it's a P.O. box. I can't think what they're called.
P.O. box?
Yeah, but it's not a P.O. box number. It's got a regular address. UPS. No. What's the building? Ups? It must be an Ups building or something. It's just a teeny weeny little thing here in town that I have my email on my email. My packages and stuff go to. But anyway, when I saw that, the first thing I thought was, oh my gosh, Lorraine didn't get her kit. And I thought, oh no, I wonder if she didn't get her kit, then it came back to me. So something about the address was wrong. Although I kind of double check it to make sure, because I really want to make sure everybody gets their package when they get it.
And then I triple check it before I mail it out.
Right.
Because I'm the one, when she goes to work on Monday, I'm usually off. So I will go and take it to that little post office, whatever it is.
Yeah.
And
they always verify it with you, the customer, before they send it. They say, is this the correct address? Because they enter it a certain way too. Yeah.
And I did take one time, and the address, something was spelled wrong and something was left out. And I was like, yeah, no, that's not right.
Right. So we got that fixed.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's good. So imagine my surprise, because believe it or not, the box that you sent that in, I have ordered that box. So then I thought, well, wait a minute. I just ordered that box a couple of days ago. I know it couldn't have come that fast because it's coming from Texas. And I thought, nope, it couldn't come that fast. So then when I got it and I looked at the back of it, I saw your address, your name on there, and I went, wait a minute. It's from Lorraine. Why would she be sending me something? Oh my gosh, maybe something's wrong. She had to sit it back in a box. So anyway, I finally get into it. And then I'm like totally shocked. So I cannot thank you enough for what you've given me. And the thing is that right after the incident with us shoveling and everything, my granddaughter bought me and my mom, oh my gosh, my daughter, her mother, or my daughter, a set of these right here, okay? And I said, well, I don't know how well those are going to be. And she goes, yeah, everybody says they're really great. So she goes, all you got to do, as soon as we open up the package, the air actually activates them immediately. And it says here that they last for 10 hours. I thought, I can't even imagine something lasting for 10 hours. I mean, a couple hours, yeah, but 10, nope, it's going to be, my hands get pretty cold, so I'd be wiping out the heat. Yeah. But we went ahead and we used them and tested it, and sure enough, it lasted a little more than 10 hours. So then I was at Walmart the other day, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get me another set of these because it is very, very cold out at work. So there's two of us that sit up at the front desk, and we were really freezing this past Thursday. And I told her, I said, you know what, I'm going to get some of these hot hand things, and I'm going to let you try them out and see what you think. So that's what I got those for work. And then, of course, your package came. But now my daughter, this daughter right here.
Not mom, the daughter.
She got me this thing. If anybody has ever, and I never even knew this thing existed.
A couple years ago for Christmas.
Exactly. And the little button turns it on, and then it has 3 different little settings.
Heat settings.
Right. And it has 2 different ways to plug it in. So it comes with a little cord like this, and it has 2 different sizes. Let me get that in there.
Well, this one goes into the hand warmer, and then that is your USB.
Right. So if you were going to put it into the hand warmer, you'd go there, but you can also put it in there, the hand warmer.
Yeah, but then where are you going to put the other end?
It goes into that new little box. The new, whatever these are called. I don't know what they are, but I got a new one.
That's what I call it. It's a box.
So the new one that goes to my iPhone, it has this little bitty thing that goes into it. So anyway, now this one doesn't. This is a big one. So I keep this one automatically. I keep this one in a little bag that I made, just a teeny weeny bag, a little extra something or another. so that I got it to power up. And since I've only got one, I can only do one hand at a time.
Yeah, that was a mistake. I thought it was a 2-pack, and then when she opened it at Christmas, I was like, wait, where's the other one?
But that's okay, because warming up one hand is good. It's better than nothing, I'm telling you. So I'm going to lift up the gloves, the mittens, excuse me, that you got me. And we haven't tested them yet. I'm going to test them out here in a minute. So they have, here's what it looks like, a little pink thing. And it has,
they are adorable.
They sure are. And so what it does, it has this little thing right here. And you put it in your microwave and you warm it up. And then you pop it in. And it's got the top and the bottom so that both sides of your hands are warm, not just keeping one, the top or the bottom.
Right, so when you put it in the mitten, there's another sleeve for the little heat pad or the little thing that you put in the microwave. And then on the bottom, there's another little spot where you put the other one. So then you could have your hands like be really still and just lay your hands like that. But you know what I mean? It heats the top and the bottom.
But when I was at work, I have a infinity scarf that I made a while back, which I've got a YouTube video, I believe, that I made on it. And I took it out of my bag at work and I literally wrapped my hands up yeah. And the manager goes, "What are you doing?" I said, "My hands are so cold."
What are you doing?
I was sitting at my desk and she goes, "Oh my gosh." She goes, so I pulled my hand out and my blood runs out of my fingers so that my fingers are pitch white. And she goes, "Oh my God, you are cold. Maybe we need to do something. I don't know what to do." So she turned the air up so that it wouldn't come on. But out at work, everybody in the operatories, I work in a dental office, so we have operatories, and everybody in an operatory has a window. So as soon as the sun comes out, it heats up all those rooms. The disadvantage being that not only do they have their scrubs on, then they have a lab coat over all of that. So they get extra hot in the back. In the front of the building, there are no windows whatsoever. So all the cold air is just running down on me and my friend. Although we sit there with sweaters on, it doesn't make a difference. Anyway, so that was wrap that up. And then I also wanted to say, thank you for the chapstick.
Oh, yes, thank you. They're so cute.
They are very, very cute. And oh my gosh.
They're like EOS.
Just perfect. Yep, right? Just like EOS. And so, of course, definitely, I never have enough chapstick in the wintertime. So I just wanted to shout out, thank you very much. I really, really appreciate it. I was not expecting it. And I appreciate anything that any of my viewers send to me. So thank you very much, Lorraine. Okay, that's all I got to say. You need anything else?
No, I thanked her for the little chapsticks. I like it.
Okay. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now you could comment, like, or subscribe if you haven't yet, which I keep forgetting on all my videos, but you guys know what I'm like, so forgetful. Till next time. Bye-bye. Thanks again, Lorraine.